Hey there, guys. What's going on today? Welcome to another unboxing slash testing out video, I guess, from MKF30. Let me just get the MK Legacy Collection out of here. It's my last video. Yeah, so just full disclaimer here, I am by no means a Nerf or blaster expert. It used to be really big in the Nerf back in the 80s and 90s when I was a kid. And, kind of recently got back into the hobby a little bit, but watching channels like Welcome and Cooper and stuff like that, kind of interesting. And crazy, how far we've come compared to the power from, back in the 80s and 90s to what we have now. I just have, I'll do this, I'll probably maybe give my opinions on this in another video, but I also got recently like the Rival, what is this? What model is this on? You remember what it is? The XX3. Yeah, I can't remember. Was this a Forerunner? I'm not sure. Because this is like a one in a line of a series of the Rivals. So I kind of like the shotgun mechanism. Just really cool. Yeah, I want to get the Pilot and the Fade. I think it's called. Is that it? Fade? No, I'm not sure. But yeah, two pistol shots. Anyway, so pistol blasters. So I saw this on. I haven't seen many people talk about this particular one yet on YouTube, and I figured, yeah, why not? Do an unboxing, testing out video. I have another gun here that I also got from them. Although this is, I think, Adventure Force. Yeah, made by the same company though. So this is the Cricket. I gotta say, this thing is a hell of a lot more powerful than I thought. Like, probably the most powerful blaster, Nerf gun, whatever, that I ever got for the price. I think that was like $7 or something, which is just ridiculous. And I'll show you that in a second, how hard that hits. So these are supposed to be 120 FPS. The original Soul is also 120, and the purple. Now, I got the purple as well. Only thing is, I tested this out last night, and it's a dud, so I gotta return it. I got this from Amazon, and when I was shooting it, it would kind of shoot it like very lightly. So I'm pretty sure this thing's busted. So this one, I have not unboxed yet, so I have no idea how this one shoots. So this is the Dart Zone Max Nitroshot+Solo Plus. So it looks like the same thing but green, but I don't know. I looked on the specs on the site, compared this to the purple one that I just had in my hand. They both say 120 FPS. You can use all darts on both. However, the original Solo, the blue one, for some reason, doesn't list all the darts. It says you could use any dart except for the chili dart, whatever that is. It's like a chili full-size dart. So yeah, I wonder what that's about. Alright, so get this here. Got this over here. Alright. I do like the packaging in this. It is kind of nice, like almost fancy schmancy for a little blaster. Almost feel like I'm unboxing like a smartphone or something here, or two-way radio. I don't know. So place that there. You got the instructions here. You got the blaster here. Oh, okay, and apparently it's stuck. Right, the other one had that too. So it's kind of like stuck in this little. I guess I gotta be a little bit more careful with that. Oh, and there goes the darts. So it comes with 10 darts. I'm assuming to be 10 darts. Alright, let me just put that in there. Put that back there. Yeah, I'll get that later. 10 darts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 10. Alright. Hopefully it works better than the other one, because the other one was not getting the job done. I don't know, it was just not working properly. So, as you can see, it's got the metal barrel inside. This thing, you just crank it up like that. Now, this little switch here is your safety, I believe. Is that your safety? Yeah, okay, safety. Then you just push your thumb on this little button right here, and that will drop it down so that you could load it. So, put one in, push it up, and you pull the knob here. Sorry, I forget the technical name of this. I'm just going to call it the pressure valve here. And then you shoot. So let's see, I'm going to shoot the pill here. Okay, that works much better than the purple one did. The purple one wasn't coming out half as hard as that. So this is 120 FPS, so feet per second, for those of you wondering. Now, I took the liberty of buying a, actually let me keep it zoomed out so you can see it better. Sorry about that. Alright. So I got that on Amazon, and that is just essentially just a target. It's this cool target bag. You can see the targets there. So I'm going to aim for the 25. And I missed. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. This one's I think I got a dud with that other gun. Let's try again. Let's go for the 50. Okay, I got it in one of the targets. I don't know if that was the one I was aiming for. Let's try again. By the way, I am at roughly about maybe 10, 15 feet away, so I'm not that far. Let's go for the, I'll go for the 25 again. Okay, I could have sworn it hit it, but it didn't go through. Maybe I didn't hit it. Okay. Let's go for the 25 again. Alright. Let's try 50. I keep getting the 50s, but I can't get the 25, which is funny because the 25 is actually the larger target. This thing's awesome, though. I like this. Alright, try another 50. Oh, missed that one. Try 25 again. It's like I'm hitting the 25, but it's not going in. Hold on. Unless I'm hitting right above it. Alright. Okay, I'm positive I hit the 25 there. I gotta see if that thing, maybe I gotta like push it in a little bit. But yeah, this thing's pretty damn accurate, I gotta say. And now I just would like to compare it to the, to this one here, real quickly, even though the video is focused on the other gun. Which is just give you an idea of how hard this thing shoots. Also shoots pretty hard. Pop it in, same thing, just pull it back, and shoot. Let's see if I can show you like FPS view here. Yeah. So yeah, both pretty powerful. I'm not sure which one I like more, to be honest. They're both very powerful. They're both fun. Pretty cheap too. I mean, I think I paid about 14 bucks for this on the site, on Dart Zone site. This one I think you can only get from Target, if I'm not mistaken. I think they posted a Target link, the Cricket. But the Nitroshot+Solo you can get on Dart Zone site. I don't believe I've seen this on Amazon. The purple one I got on Amazon, like I said, it's defective, so I gotta send it back, unfortunately. It wasn't shooting half as hard as these two glasses. So, yeah. Tell me your thoughts on that. Any of you guys, any of you Nerf heads, Dart Zone buffs, you know, Blaster fans have this gun yet? The Nitroshot+Solo from Dart Zone. I gotta say, this little thing packs a punch, and so does this guy too. Holy moly. Yeah, I'll probably do a couple more videos for some other Nerf guns that I have, just a couple more, you know. Like I said, I do have the one gun from the Rival series, and I want to get a Pilot, which is awesome. It's very highly moddable. I'm sure these are actually you can mod these too. Oh, and I do have something else coming from Dart Zone. I will do an unboxing video with that. And I'm really excited to show you guys that. So that's also something to do. Like I said, I've always been into target shooting, mainly with slingshots specifically. So, you know, I figured, you know, check out what's going on with blasters nowadays, Nerf guns, Dart Zone, etc. And I gotta say, pretty powerful stuff. Very impressed. I give this 10 out of 10. I also give this a 10 out of 10. For the price especially, this one's like $7. It's more plastic. This one has metal and plastic. But still, they're both relatively cheap, both under $20, so you can't go wrong with either blaster. So comment, rate, subscribe, and tell me your thoughts. And I will see you later.